There's something about gouache that I really like. It is opaque, can be mixed with water, and can be reactivated, allowing me to relax and enjoy the creative process and just go with the flow. The brand that I'm using today is Winsor Newton, and at some point I'll use burnt sienna from Turner's. You can find all of the supplies used in this video on a link in the description box. I get a lot of beautiful color variations with this brand, and mixing it with white creates beautiful muted colors. I'm painting a flower because I love how perfectly imperfect they are. So organic, colorful, and beautiful. I don't feel the pressure to draw the perfect flower or leaf. I just enjoy what I'm doing. I have created a very subtle palette for this piece, looking for the perfect harmony between the colors. So I've used a mid-tone for the whole flower and then a lighter tone for the highlights. I really like this style of painting that is very distinctive of gouache. I'm not looking to blend colors or to make the light look subtle. I'm just letting the paint take its form and create what my mind is trying to convey. It looks rough but very delicate at the same time, which is so beautiful in my opinion. The palette that I'm using today is from the brand Artist Loft. It's a plastic palette with 11 wells. I love to use porcelain palettes, but unlike watercolors that beads in plastic, gouache does not. I've heard that people say they are very intimidated and that they are not sure how much water they should add. So here's how I do it. I dip my brush in water and touch the paper towel one time only and very slightly. Then I add it to the paint. It all depends on how much paint you're using. Adding too much water will make your paint transparent, so be careful. Just do what you feel is right, and soon you'll get the hang of it. Just experiment. I have a lot of fun creating new colors and seeing how they look next to each other, how they make me feel when I look at them, and how they create this beautiful composition. I started adding details to the leaf, but then I thought it would look better without them, so I painted on top. I also created a color swatch because I think it gives a very nice look to the piece. So these are the colors that were used to create it. As always guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. I hope you liked this one, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do, and hit the bell to receive notifications of new videos. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.